Hello people, welcome to my vlog. As Sauri mentioned in her last video that we should not drink lab alcohol when our experiments fail. Well, Sauri, we should not drink lab alcohol even if our experiments do work. So yeah, here I am for the day starting my experiments. Today is gonna be a very interesting experiment I'm going to do. Yeah, but it was also a struggle for me to adjust the camera for the video, but finally I did that. So the experiment I'm doing here is basically I'm prepping my protein sample for mass spectrometry. I want to desalt my protein sample before they go to the mass spectrometry facility for the experiment further. So in this experiment, what I'm doing is I'm making a small uh, cartridge in a tip which I will be using to pass out my protein sample, through which my protein will retain in that column or in that cartridge, and all the salt which I do not want, and they are very hazardous to that mass spectrometry wires, they will not be there. So I am basically desalting my protein samples. First, what I did was I made that cartridge in a tip, and now I am basically activating that cartridge so that my protein will stuck in that column or that in that cartridge. These are the needles which I am holding, through which I am passing my liquid or my sample, and all the proteins or the peptides which I want is going to retain in that cartridge. So this experiment is a follow-up of the earlier experiment which I showed you guys in the last video. In that I was preparing my proteins using those magnetic beads, and now I am further processing my sample, which are cleaved or which are like basically chopped into peptides, smaller unit of proteins. So this experiment actually took 1 week, but in the middle of the week, my experiment did get failed, and I had to repeat it once more. So yeah, this is what PhD life is. We have to repeat our experiments until and unless we get what our desired result is. I'll say 90% of the times our results do not come the way we want, but that 10 times really do matter in our PhDs. And in a way, PhD teaches us what life is and how we deal with issues even if in our lives. So yeah, here I am done with my experiment. uh, so whatever liquid is stored in that, I'll evaporate that, and here I am storing it in -80. uh, it's a huge fridge with -80 degree, very freezing, in which I have stored my sample, and I'll submit it later tomorrow. So yeah, done for the day. Bye bye. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel for more such videos. And